Have you tried nutrition plans or healthy living programs that feel good for a while, but you always eventually fall off of? Maybe you've tried eating intuitively, but you felt like you just ate everything in sight? After working with clients as a holistic health and nutrition coach for over 6 years, I kept seeing the same pattern over and over again. Women going from extreme to extreme, trying to eat really well, eat super clean, and be the best they could be, and then falling off of it entirely and just eating all the things all the time. This on again, off again, start, stop mentality is keeping them from living the life that they actually want to live. A life of real balance. I created Balance Eating Essentials to help you get off of this on again, off again diet and nutrition plan train and learn how to eat in a way that is balanced for life. As a holistic health coach, intuitive eating counselor, and busy mama of 2, I know that living a healthy, balanced life isn't always easy, but it also doesn't have to be hard. It can be really simple. And the purpose of Balance Eating Essentials is to teach you these 7 essential habits that I've found in my own life and working with clients to help you eat and live in a way that's balanced in every season, in no matter what situation you're in. Balance Eating Essentials is a mini course, but there's not much mini about it other than its size, kind of like myself. I'm only 5 feet tall, if you can't tell from the video. Balance Eating Essentials is complete with 4 modules that take you through the 7 essential habits of becoming a balanced eater, as well as a wealth of resources like meal ideas, recipes, printable PDFs, so that you can take these habits and put them into practice. Balanced Eating Essentials isn't just about the food on our plate though. It's also about our mindset and our behavior around food. You'll learn how to tune into your body so you can eat in a way that's balanced without needing to count, track, measure, or obsess at all. You will learn how to become a balanced eater in every situation for life, and you can pass this on to your family, to your friends, to your kids. You can become the confident eater that you've always wanted to be, as well as feel good, feel nourished, and show up as the very best version of you. Head to healthymamakris.com/BEE to learn more and join to become a balanced eater.